Connecting your Oyster card to Apple Wallet UK is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, ensure your iPhone or Apple Watch is compatible with Apple Pay and has contactless payment enabled. If you haven't already, add a debit or credit card to Apple Wallet that you will use for contactless payments. Make sure the card is issued by a bank that supports Apple Pay. Go to your iPhone Settings app, then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Follow the prompts to set up Apple Pay and add your payment card. In some regions, including London, you can enable Express Transit mode for Apple Pay to make it faster to pay for transit without unlocking your device. Go to Settings, then select Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on Express Transit card and select your payment card. To pay for travel in London using Apple Pay, simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the yellow card reader at the start and end of your journey on buses, trains, the London Underground, DLR, London Overground, and some national rail services within London. Ensure you tap your device on the card reader both when you start and end your journey to ensure you are charged the correct fare. You can view your travel transactions and payment details through the bank's mobile app or online banking portal. If you're buying an Oyster card in person, you can pay with cash, debit card, or credit card. If you're purchasing online, you will typically need to pay with a debit or credit card. Once you've paid for your Oyster card and loaded it with credit, you will receive the card immediately if you're buying it in person. If you're purchasing online, your Oyster card will be mailed to you, or you may be able to collect it at a designated location. While not required, you have the option to register your Oyster card online through the TfL website.